Welcome to this tutorial on PREP WordPress integration. First, log into your PREP account. From the left navigation panel, open the WordPress files page. Next, log into your WordPress account. The WordPress files page displays all PDF files available in your WordPress environment. You can use the search box to quickly locate a specific file. To begin remediation, select one or multiple PDF files using the checkboxes. To send the selected files to the Continual Engine Remediation team, click Upload File to CE. Alternatively, click Upload File to PREP to send the selected files directly to PREP for AI-assisted remediation. If the files are uploaded to CE, you can track their progress from the Orders page. If the files are uploaded to PREP, go to the dashboard, open the required file in the PREP tag editor. Review the AI-generated tags, make any necessary accessibility corrections, and then export the remediated PDF directly back to WordPress from the PREP dashboard. The Uploaded to column indicates the current stage of the workflow. The status column helps you monitor the progress of each file. You can use the refresh button to refresh the status. To perform file-specific actions, click the More Options menu, represented by the three-dot icon. Depending on the file status, you can download original file to download the source PDF, download remediated file to download the accessible PDF after remediation is complete. Export to WordPress to save the remediated PDF back to your WordPress environment. Once a file has been successfully remediated and exported, its status changes to Saved in WordPress, indicating that the accessible version is now available in WordPress. Thank you.